Welcome to Full Send RCPH, and today magre-review tayo nitong Nanway blower or yung tinatawag nilang storm gun and their electric screwdriver. I've had this unit for like maybe a month and nagamit ko na to sa races to clean my RCs, and yung electric screwdriver naman nakabuo na ako ng 3 kit using that screwdriver. So what you get when you buy it from Lazada pala to, guys, you open it up, meron siyang instruction manual. It has a bag of accessories for the blower, which we'll go through later, a vacuum canister kasi vacuum din siya. You get 2 batteries, the charger, and of course, yung ating mga bida sa ngayong araw, yung ating blower, tsaka yung electric screwdriver. So, ilalabas ko sila and I'll show you how they work. So guys, ito na yung mga unit natin. Ito yung storm gun na tinatawag nila. It's a brushless blower with a CNC machined propeller blade right there. Yung iba kasi mga plastic, so hindi gano'ng malakas yun. Low RPM lang, but this one is aluminum. Meron siyang 16.8 volt na battery. Hindi ko nga alam kung paano nila nailagay yung 16.8 volts, pero here we are. Yung storm gun, guys, sobrang lakas. Pakita ko yung anong ko. Ito no? Sobrang lakas niya. Pwede pang nilinis ng RCs. Sa mga attachments niya, let's see. So guys, ito yung mga attachments niya kasama. Yung vacuum canister. Ito, kakabit natin dito. Ano nga pala, fully adjustable yung speed niya. Trigger sensitive. Pwede mahina lang. Palakas na palakas. Tanggalin natin to. Get in the slots. Ayan, may vacuum ka na. Reverse mo lang yung flow. Dito may reverse switch siya. Vacuum na siya. Pwede sa PC, keyboard, your desk, after ka mag-solder o magkalikot, maganda palinis. Yung mga blowing tips niya naman is ito, yan, tsaka itong malaki. Ewan ko para saan ba to? Ito siya eh. I wonder what this is for. Oh, ang lakas pala ito kung malaking butas. For me, I think this one is the best tip. Ito yung pinakamalakas for me. Kasi kapag ito yung ginamit mo, although pwede naman, parang bumabalik kasi yung hangin, parang pinu-push back niya. Kasi nga, parang hindi kaya ng tip yung speed. So, for best results, I think it's best to go with this one. Try nga natin to. Saan ba to? Okay, this one, itong nozzle na to para to sa mga air mattress pala. Tama. Kapag meron kayong mga air pillow mattresses, ito yung, or yung mga inflatable toys, ito yung tip na kailangan nyo. So let's get rid of this and go to the drill. Ito naman yung drill natin. Yung kanyang tinitake is yung mga 1/4 na drill size, or 6.75mm ba yun sa metric. Yung mga X-ray, hoodie, MIP na speed tip, yan, pwede yan dito. The way you install it is, pasok mo dyan, hila mo to, itong collet na to, hila mo forward, tapos pasok, then hila mo ulit yung bit, and you're locked in. Meron siyang 2 speeds, fast and slow. This is fast, this is slow. Tapos meron din siyang torque setting dito from 1 to 13. Kapag gumagawa ko ng RC, iniiwan ko lang siya sa number 1 hanggang 21 pala. Torque settings 1 to 21, then you have the drill mode. Dire-diretso yan, hindi yan siya pipigil, hindi siya mag-stop if it encounters resistance. So what I do is I just keep it on 1 and speed 1 sa slow speed. Ito naman fully proportional. Parang RC yung trigger niya, pwede slow, fully proportional siya. It's nice. It takes some getting used to kasi medyo mabigat siya. But after a while, parang masasanay ka na rin. Kasi sanay ako sa sa Bosch. Yung Bosch Go na Gen 1, tsaka I have this other one, generic Timu Special. Walang torque setting, wala din speed, single speed lang. Ito, tsaka yung Bosch ko, fully charged, hindi makatapos ng isang short horse truck na kit. Pero ito, kayang-kaya niya with spare capacity to keep going. So, I like this. So guys, mabibili dito sa Lazada for around 2,000 pesos kapag may sale. And I highly recommend this blower and electric screwdriver. Super useful. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.